Hey guys, on today's video, I'm going to show you how to send out a few things over Facebook Messenger. So right now we're in Facebook. Just open up Facebook in any web browser, and then you guys will see this icon up here, messages. So let's just open that up, choose the person who you guys want to send that message to. So there's the person. So this window should pop up. And now if you guys want to send out anything really, down here below, you guys will notice you guys can attach pictures and files or take a quick pic. So what I'm going to show you is the easier way. Now I have these pictures right here on the side. They're on my desktop. They can be in a USB stick, in a folder. It doesn't really matter where they are. I can choose both of them or one at a time. So I'm gonna just choose both of them. I'm gonna drag and drop on top of here. Okay, so I'm drag and dropping on top of the message. Okay, and then you guys will see that you guys can click right here, okay, on the messages, and then you guys want to click right here to send it out, or press enter. Okay, so depending how big your images are and how many you're sending, it's going to take a little bit for them to load. However, right now they just both went through. Now I have a PDF right here on the side as well. I'm going to send it out. Same deal. I'm going to grab it and drop it right here on top of the window. And then I'm going to hit down here below, press enter to send, and then it's going to send out. I'm going to do the same thing with this folder. So I have this folder right here, and I have a video and a Word file, by the way. So I'm gonna do the exact same thing. Enter, or hit right there on the arrow. A video, same deal. The more things I send out, by the way, the longer it's gonna take for them to process out, because Facebook is kind of keeping a copy of them for the person to be able to download them. So I'm gonna do the same thing with this Word file. I'm just gonna place it on top, drop it, hit right here below, press enter to send, or just click right here, and then we just sent it out. So that's how you guys can send out various types of documents. As you guys could see, pictures, PDFs, files such as any type of folder, a Word file, a video. Doesn't really matter what it is, you guys can always send it out through Facebook Messenger. Now if you guys are having problems, I have seen this with folders. So for example, I have this folder. Now, if you guys are having problems with it, it's not sending out properly, it's not opening up in the other end, don't worry, just right click on that folder before you send it out and choose compress. So guys, once you guys do this, I'm gonna do that so you guys can see what happens. Right here is my compressed file. Now it's called a zip folder, okay? So it creates this zip folder where it's making the folder itself a little bit smaller, okay? And it's bringing everything together. And that way you guys can just drag and drop again. So I'm gonna send that out just to show you. There we go. And then this folder that's zipped will actually get through faster. So as you guys could see, that already went out. So this zip file went through, whereas my other folder, it's still loading, okay? So you may have problems with folders like that, so you may have to zip them. In most cases, if you have a lot of files, most likely you will have to zip them. If you're on PC, it's the same thing. You guys just have to right click on the folder, and then on PCs, you guys won't see compress, but you guys will see zip file. So just zip that file and then send it out just like we did a second ago. That's it for this video tutorial. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.